This is Chainsaw Charlie. This is January 19th, 2019. There's pretty much we got a blizzard going on. We're supposed to have between 5 and, I've heard multiple things, 10 inches of snow. But this is what it looks like. Plows are trying to do the best out here. So I figured I might as well come out and do a GoPro video, go to the police. But yeah, the plow's been out for a while now. It's probably good already. Well, here where I'm walking on the snow, it's probably good, maybe 3 inches of snow. The drifts are starting to be the problem. Very windy, 30 to 35 miles per hour winds. So I put my military boots on because they're waterproof. What they call them, jungle boots. So I've finally put them on. See what Main Street looks like, guys. Yeah, some of the sidewalks aren't shuffled, some are, so that's good. I'm underneath here. This little, whew, it's pretty slippery underneath here. Hopefully the camera is picking up the snow, but it's supposed to do this all day. All day long. It's supposed to do this. So yeah, I've had all my scanners running. So I was listening to the police scanners. They've had a couple crashes as of right now, but I don't know if they had any more because I fell asleep listening to the scanner and walked down here. Yeah, you can tell nobody's walked over here yet because the snow is especially visibility is down low because of the snow and the wind. So I haven't really seen many plows out, like on people's trucks. I mean, there's one right there on he has it on his Jeep. But, oh, there's another plow. They've been making their money today. I see ODOT down there. I think that was ODOT. No, that's just, I think that's city truck. They're not even open, so I can say, oh yeah, that's the city. Yes. Hey, there's the city plow. So, yeah, they're out. I haven't seen ODOT, but I guarantee they're out. But they're probably pretty much on the state routes and probably the highway. Probably trying to hit that the most. County can come inside and state can do theirs. Like the city, they got their plows. So other than that, everyone's just taking it slow. I had to come outside and check it out. I ain't gonna stay out here long. See. I'm over here by Muddy Rivers, what it used to be. I'll go down here. It's actually pretty fluffy snow. It's not, you know, heavy snow. Kind of light. You can see. I'm just pushing it around. See? It's light. Now when you get on the road, it gets compacted by the vehicles. Yeah. It's pretty light. Soft, very soft snow. Yeah. So if you can't make it out, here you go. You can see the snow from here. There's still a few people up, but not as many as it would be on a Saturday if the snow wasn't out. I'm guessing a lot of people was hunkering in. And I guess now we're on a level 2 snow emergency. That's just what I heard. I haven't checked my phone yet, but so I'll get off here and enjoy this crazy weather we got. Chainsaw Charlie out. Be safe out there. Ciao.